Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is SDMav, back with another video as you guys know, and today we're going to be unboxing the Lenovo Ideal Deals Chromebook. Let's get into it. So hey guys, what's up? What is happening? How are you guys doing? My name is SDMav, and for sure thank you for watching this video, and this is the unboxing video of the Lenovo Chromebook. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, we can see that the back, we can see this box and the back, which comes with this blue gradient with pink, or what we like call the color. It's really nice, and getting anything you have to know about the information is actually at the back of this Chromebook. So you can see that it shows that it is Wi-Fi as it is ice blue, as iron gray, and it is the 64 gradient, which has, you can see the CPU, the display, and every other information at the back of this Chromebook. Getting straight into the unboxing of this Lenovo Chromebook, so I'll grab my scissors quickly, and yeah, let's get right into it. It took me some time for me to open the Chromebook, and when I was through, the first thing I did is to take off the lid, and we can see the Chromebook looking and staying in all its glorious color. So I took out the Chromebook, and yeah, I love unboxing for sure. So you can see the color which is stated, but let's put that aside, and let's take this white lid and also take this white stuff which is inside, which I guess has the other things like the back cover and the keyboard. You can see that is the manual, so let's put that aside, and you can see by the side it has where I think number one, the cable for charging and the adapter. So this is the 10 watt adapter which is coming with this budget Chromebook, which let me not say anything, but let's go straight into the cable which comes with it, and also has this USB to headphone jack converter, which is okay and really nice. And yeah, I think that will be all. What we have to do now is to check maybe there's any other thing in the box, and for sure there is nothing. So let's unbox the other paper which we had before to see what is inside. And as I said, you can find the keyboard and the back cover. So the keyboard is a good one, but let's unbox the back lid. So the back lid is okay. You can see the weaving, like this leather weaving at the back, and the magnet glue. We can also check the keyboard, which is really beautiful and has a good travel. I really love typing on this, and I guess that is all for now. Let's quickly get into the unboxing of the Chromebook. So where are you? This is the Chromebook. So once we take off the wrapper, we can see the glorious color, which is this ice blue, which is the plastic, and the iron, which is the gray. So it is a really good combination of colors. And below you can see where the keyboard will actually snap under to turn this to a Chromebook or a laptop. These are the speakers, and what we have to do now is to snap the keyboard right under. It took me some time before I could get used to it, but finally I guess I did it. Yeah, I did it, and it's worked finally. And all we have to do is to snap the back covering, and yeah, this is the Ideal laptop from Lenovo. So let's snap everything and clear the table, and let's launch this baby. So launching it took me about 2 minutes for it to be able to register all my information, everything about me. It took me exactly 2 minutes on the dot, and yeah, after that it went straight to the home screen, which is really cool, really nice, with this blue accent with it. So for sure I love this because you can see that in the setting it will have update till June 2028, so you continue to get different updates for your Chromebook. So the first app I launched was YouTube to check how far, and launching and opening MKBHD's video is very inspiring, and for sure you always find it very good. The sound of the speaker might not be the best, but it's okay for this budget, and this is the sound of the speaker which is in the Lenovo Chromebook.
High-end piece of video gear. This is the Venus Optics Laowa Macro Probe Lens. And as you can tell, it's super worthy of the name. So, I've actually had this lens for a couple weeks now, started messing with it. It's definitely not the type of lens that you use very often, it's super specialty, but it's already responsible for one absolutely crazy shot in the last video, the OnePlus 7 Pro review. Definitely check it out if you haven't already.
So yeah, tell me your reaction about the speaker in the comment section below, how you rate it, how you love it. Just drop that in the comment section below. The thing is really nice. I love everything about it, the keyboard, the screen, and every other thing. The screen is okay, it's an LCD display, 10.1-inch display, so I know it's not the best out there because I would prefer an AMOLED, but for the price range also, which will be the defining factor, that is why I won't complain. And coming with a keyboard, I don't really have anything much to say, and this is really nice than buying it separately. It is okay for the price, which is $299. So if you want to see the unboxing video, all you have to do is to like, share, and subscribe, to see the review video from me. So I'll be spending some time with it and see how it works. And this is how the back camera looks like. And this is the back camera test of the Chromebook, Lenovo Chromebook. How did you rate it? Is it okay? How is the mic from behind? What do you think about it? Is the color of my skin coming out as you should? And yeah, I guess this is all for the video. So I guess this will be actually all for this video. You just see more about it in the review video coming out very soon. I love this, and I don't have any regrets about it. It's a really good Chromebook, and yeah, I think that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.